Timeout. It looks like Cooper Flag is showing everyone why he will be the future NBA #1 pick. After hitting a buzzer beater at halftime, Duke left a discouraged Arizona. Arizona made a storming effort back, but Cooper Flag was not having none of that. He said, "Get that out of here, young man. Here comes the Coop." Boom. Yeah, this man is serious, and he's on a mission. Duke looks like they got another one with a nice split double team, no look pass. And Mintz hits his man in the corner. Bang. But I want to hear from you. Is Cooper Flag really the next Duke villain? Let me know in the comments what you think.